courts and the Supreme Court specifically because it has nullified a 2020 bench warrant issued by Justice Eric Chei-Bafo against US-based Ghanaian broadcaster Kevin Taylor, citing fundamental procedural flaws that rendered the order invalid. In a 4-1 majority decision, the Apex Court ruled that the warrant linked to a dormant contempt case was flawed from the start.
The ruling marks a major legal development in a case that recently resurfaced amid political speculation about Mr. Taylor's alleged presence in Ghana. Kevin Taylor was present in court for the ruling, ending days of uncertainty about whether he had re-entered the country. The host of With All Due Respect on Loud Silence Media made no public comment after proceedings, but was seen thanking his legal team as he exited the courtroom. The court's ruling comes just a day after Defense Minister Dr. Omani Boamah was questioned at a government press briefing on whether Mr. Taylor had returned to Ghana despite the standing warrant. The minister declined to confirm or deny the claim. Mr. Taylor's appearance in court seems to have put the matter to rest. The bench warrant stemmed from a January 2020 video in which Kevin Taylor harshly criticized Justice Eric Chei-Bafo, then presiding over a high-profile corruption case involving former officials of the National Communication Authority. Taylor had alleged that the judge received a promotion as a reward for biased conduct, comments the High Court deemed scandalous and contemptuous. The High Court, acting on its own motion, issued a warrant directing law enforcement to arrest and produce Mr. Taylor, who was residing in the U.S. at the time. His lead counsel, Peter Kujeto, welcomed the decision, emphasizing that a flawed judicial order can be challenged at any time, regardless of the delay.
Reaction to what has just happened at the Supreme Court. You are moving the motion on behalf of
you saw what happened, so
yes.
What do I have to say?
How do you receive this news from the Supreme Court? The decision of the Supreme Court. That's exactly what you wanted. You got what you wanted.
We are happy to have that decision. And our client is now a free man.
There was an issue about why it took you that long time before eventually having this done today.
Yeah, the authorities are clear that when the decision is a nullity, it can be quashed anytime. So there's even a case of Cable Metal versus Barclays Bank, where the decision was quashed 9 years on.
Okay, wish you all the best. Okay. Thank you.
Meanwhile, the Attorney General's office has filed a nulli prosequa in the ongoing trial of former Finance Minister Dr. Kwabena Duffuor, his son Kwabena Duffuor II, and 6 others. The accused were on trial for the alleged roles in the collapse of Unibank during Ghana's banking sector cleanup. In a statement signed by Deputy Attorney General Dr. Justice Shremsai, the AG's office explained that the discontinuation followed partial recoveries made from the accused persons. The statement noted that the AG has previously dropped similar prosecutions after recovering at least 60% of state's funds. Dr. Shremsai clarified that this decision does not imply innocence or lack of wrongdoing,